The Philippines, with its tropical climate and diverse ecosystems, is home to a wide array of vibrant and unique native flowers. Here's a florist guide to some of the most notable ones, along with their characteristics and significance. But before that, welcome to my channel. 1. Sampaguita. Jasminum sambac. Common name: Philippine jasmine. Known for its small, white, fragrant flowers, Sampaguita is the national flower of the Philippines. It symbolizes purity, simplicity in the Filipino culture. It thrives in tropical climates and can grow well in a variety of soils with plenty of sunlight. 2. Rattan palm flower. Calamus. Common name: rattan. The rattan palm produces small flowers, but it is the vine-like structure that distinguishes it. Rattan is important for its use in making furniture and baskets. These plants are found in the rainforests of the Philippines, preferring shaded areas with high humidity. 3. Wailing. Vanda sanderiana. Common name: Queen of Philippine orchids. Wailing is a rare and exotic orchid with large, colorful blooms in shades of purple, pink, and white. It is one of the most prized orchids in the country. Prefers humid, tropical environments and thrives at higher altitudes, particularly in mountain regions. 4. Bougainvillea. Common name: Bougainvillea. Though not native to the Philippines, originally from South America, Bougainvillea has become a ubiquitous flower in the country. Its vibrant purple, pink, or orange blooms add to the landscape's beauty. Thrives in hot climates with well-drained soil and a lot of sunlight. 5. Talahib sadface. Saccharum spontaneum. Common name: wild sugarcane grass. Known for its feathery, plume-like flowers, Talahib is an important flower in rural areas, often used for decoration or crafting. Grows in grasslands, roadsides, and disturbed areas throughout the Philippines, especially during the dry season. 6. Calachuchi sadface. Plumeria. Common name: Frangipani. Calachuchi is a fragrant flower known for its lovely white, pink, or yellow petals. It is often seen in gardens and temples and is used in leis and as offerings. This hardy plant thrives in tropical climates and prefers full sunlight and well-drained soils. 7. Kamagong sadface. Diospyros blancoi. Common name: Mabolo. The kamagong tree produces small, fragrant flowers that bloom in clusters, followed by edible fruit. The tree is famous for its dark, hard wood. Typically found in lowland forests, it prefers well-drained soils and sunny conditions. 8. Puto sadface. Bixa oriana. Common name: Anato or achiote. While more commonly known for its seeds, which are used as a natural dye and spice, the puto flower also blooms in colorful clusters of pink and red, offering a beautiful display. Grows best in sunny, tropical climates with fertile, well-drained soil. 9. Anthurium sadface. Anthurium andreanum. Common name: flamingo flower or laceleaf. Known for its glossy, heart-shaped spathes and long-lasting bloom, the anthurium is often used as an ornamental plant and has a bright red or white spathe with a yellow spadix. Prefers well-drained soil, moderate sunlight, and regular moisture in warm, humid conditions. 10. Silk tree sadface. Albizia simon. Common name: monkeypod tree. With its large, round flowers resembling fluffy pink pom-poms, the silk tree is often planted in parks and urban areas. It has a wide canopy that provides ample shade. Prefers full sun and can tolerate various soil types, making it an ideal tree for the tropical landscape. 11. Lang lang. Cananga odorata. Common name: lang lang. Known for its highly fragrant yellow or greenish-yellow flowers, lang lang is used in perfumes and aromatherapy. Its strong fragrance is popular for making essential oils. Prefers tropical climates with moderate to high humidity and well-drained, sandy soil. 12. Dama de noche. Cestrum nocturnum. Common name: night-blooming jasmine. Dama de noche is a fragrant shrub that produces small, white flowers that bloom only at night, filling the air with a sweet, intoxicating fragrance. Grows best in full sunlight and prefers well-drained soil, commonly found in tropical and subtropical climates. 13. Banaba sadface. Lagerstremia speciosa. Common name: queen's flower. Known for its striking purple, pink, or lavender flowers. The banaba tree also has medicinal properties and is often used in traditional remedies for diabetes. Prefers tropical to subtropical climates and well-drained soil. 14. Silly sad face capsicum frutescens. Common name. Chili pepper. The small white flowers of the chili pepper plant bloom before the fruit. While not often thought of for ornamental purposes, its fiery fruit and flowers are essential in Filipino cuisine. Grows best in sunny areas with well-drained soil. The Philippines is blessed with a rich variety of native flowers, many of which have cultural, medicinal, or ornamental significance. These flowers not only enhance the country's natural beauty but also support its diverse ecosystems. Whether you are a gardening enthusiast or a nature lover, these native flowers offer a glimpse into the country's vibrant floral heritage. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Until next time. Thank you so much. To God be the glory.